Alright, now we're going to do the pull test and shave the head. So I've got the rivet, the original Olympic. And then here is the sample. So I've made the hole big enough to accommodate the rivet. Now we'll shave them. So this is the original Olympic. So that one's shaved up real nice dome to it. You know, it looks like a solid buck. So now I've went a little too deep on the new one, and it still left a ring around the stem, and it's not focusing in very well. Let's see, Dave. See if we can... You it don't want to quite focus in very well, but there is a distinctive ring around the stem, and that one is nice and smooth. I mean, they both pulled on the back, you know, nicely, so no issues there. All right, thanks.